Of course, now you need to get out your smartphone. If you are watching us right now, stop walking, because what would you walk into the super cold water for a good cause? All morning long, we've been asking, should Rick Boone go into the water? And he is streaming live at Sandy Point State Park. He needed to get 450 likes. He blew past that and is going in the water now. Good morning, Rick.
I'm going in just a moment there. Tom, Patrice, Megan, and Candace, and also Jonathan, everybody waiting at home. We got Michael here. Okay, Michael, let me just get ready for this, because I gotta take off the clothes, brother. I gotta take off the clothes. Now, you are a super plunger. You do this all the time, right, man?
Right.
So what do I need to watch out for when I'm getting in the water this morning?
Make sure there's no like jellyfish in there. Or...
Jellyfish? What about sharks?
I don't think there'll be sharks in there.
Okay, all right, no sharks, okay. So will it be any ice in the water at all?
I don't think so.
No ice, okay. All right, okay, everybody at home, I do have my swim trunks under this, so I'm not totally stripping here. Now, also legally, my boss, Mike Tomko, he said I didn't have to do it, but I'm gonna do it because it's for the cause. I'm going to also give Special Olympics my $112 as well, and I'm gonna sign up so people can donate as well. So here I go, Mike. Let me put my earpiece in, producers. All right, at home, Mike, you gonna wish me luck here?
Yeah, do you want me to say 3, 2, 1 or what?
Yeah, give me a 3, 2, 1. Let me just put my earpiece in so I can hear the people back at home. Okay, all right, here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1,
right,
go!
Lord have mercy.
Come on, come
Lord
on.
have mercy.
Drop the mic, drop the mic.
Oh my God! 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 Oh my
No way. There's a commotion.
Mama!
He did great. Oh my God. Get in the hot tub, Rick. Oh, thank you so much to all of you who liked Rick's page and made this happen. What a good sport. And he's donating to the cause if they still want his money.
Oh, he's donating, all right.
Oh, I've never seen anyone react that way. It's cold. It's cold
sure
out
cold,
there.
but my goodness.
Oh my gosh is right.
Not even words.
Rick.
There was nothing.
Candace just walked in
Spectacular.
laughing, yes.
That was priceless. We're going to be re-showing this throughout the morning, just so you guys know. Stay tuned for replays, because they're coming.
Oh my
Cut the
God.
mic.
He did good. See, keeping the mic meant he couldn't go all the way under.
Right, I know. I'm like, drop
That's
the mic,
true.
drop the mic.
He did. Hey, that was far enough in this
good.
weather.
Yeah, good.
I'd be better than us.
He did call for his mother, though. I thought he was going to yell, "Mama."
He couldn't breathe, and we're getting up to what, 900 likes. He has to go back in
Almost,
again.
He's gotta go back in.
Well, I don't think he knows that.